Okay, so going in with my first eyeshadow shade, I'm just going to take that sort of like burnt sienna color, and I'm also using my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to apply that towards the inner section of my eyelids. Okay, so once I have that color applied to the inner corners of my eyelids as well as sort of blended out towards the middle, I am now going to go in with this sort of cool blue color from my Colourpop Mar palette. Okay, now that we have our tape in place, I'm going in with that color Detour from my Mar palette and just applying that to the outer edge of my eyelid. And then I'm just going to gradually bring that color towards the middle of my eyelid. So just taking the residual blue powder that's on my brush and then just slowly blending that into my first color. So I'm kind of gradually having those two colors meet. I think my sort of stopping point for the blue shade will be right where my pupil sort of starts. So that line where like the first side of my pupil begins, I'm probably just going to blend it closer to that area. And then I'm just going to take a different blending brush and then just sweep that sort of burnt sienna color just slightly over the area where I have my blue, just to diffuse out the blue a little bit in the corner. I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, and I'm just going to do a half cut crease. I am now going to go in with the shade Gridlock from that same Mar palette. For the other side, I'm going in with the shade Boozy from that exact same palette. So using a little bit of that brown and my bullet brush, just taking that right above that gold pigment. Okay, and then now I'm going in with a deeper blue shade just to intensify the outer edges of our blue. So I'm going in with this sort of navy blue color from my Morphe 35v palette. I'm also going to go in with a little bit more of that blue Detour from the Mar palette and just apply that right over the blue glitter. And then for my underbrow highlight, I'm gonna go in with this shade El Rey from that same Mar palette. Okay, love, so for the sake of time, I did go ahead and apply my foundation, highlighter, concealer. So now I am going to go back into that Mar palette and I'm taking the color Top Down. I did also go over Top Down with that navy blue shade from my Morphe palette. And I'm going to go ahead and dust off the excess powder that I have on my face. Okay, and then for my mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, just in the shade Black. For my tear duct, I'm going in with the shade El Rey. This is the first time I've done something this dramatic before, and I just feel like having this bald head really gives me the courage and the confidence to, you know, try new things. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know if there are any specific looks you want to see from me in terms of eyeshadow tutorials, or just any ideas that you think might be fun. And of course, as always, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, guys. Bye.